The yellow crescent moon hung in the darkness, catching the night in the western sky, greeting the unicorn in winter. Today the singer said goodbye. His song sings to the echo of memory, deep in the heart of the earth, now on the banks of Leith, going to the afterworld. Sailing on a moonbeam above the astral plane, like the snowflakes make a sound, a chord, as they fall silently to the good white earth, tasting stone. Still, the cat catches the moonbeam by the fireplace and holds it in his eyes, blown there by a wind beam, sailing on a moonbeam. The dream came true, if only for a while, to touch the tide in the waves of wishing. Still, now the desire is now at peace. The crumpled brown flowers catch and are covered by tufts of snow. The little blue flowers on the windowsill catch the icy moon white in the day and night sky. And so we will remember. The cat sits in the shadows of the window shade, sailing on a moonbeam.